You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the order of operations. The final result is 578. Let's solve it step by step. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 2 times 3 equals 6. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 8 minus 6 equals 2. 300 minus 80 equals 220. 220 minus 5 equals 215. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 3 times 23 equals 69. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 69 minus 2 equals 67. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 3 times 215 equals 645. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 645 minus 67 equals 578. And so the final result is 578.